Well, it's a pretty good start to the week for Asian stocks. They're pushing the highest level in almost 3 weeks. Of course, that's partly helped with that Friday boost from Wall Street, where US stocks are pushing new record highs. And that's encouraging a bit of a risk-on sentiment. And of course, we're seeing some window dressing effect as we head towards the end of the year. Now, financial stocks are doing pretty well today, especially in China. There's some optimism that new banking rules will help improve lending conditions. Some expectations that loan-to-deposit ratios will be lowered, and that's been positive for Chinese banks today, as well as the real estate sector. We're seeing some support for the energy sector as well, especially in Chinese oil stocks. The finance ministry is raising the threshold for the windfall tax next year. So the 20% levy kicks in at $65 a barrel from the current, instead of the current $55 a barrel. So that's likely or expected to help improve the profits for oil producers by about 10%. So the likes of CNOOC and PetroChina are expected to see a bit of a boost over the next few days from this bit of news. Overall, Chinese stocks doing pretty well today. H shares are up 4%. That's the biggest jump in nearly a year. Now, overall, for the rest of the week, it's likely to be relatively light on the macro data front. So a lot of focus will be on the Chinese data out for over the next few days, where we'll get a slew of PMI numbers. These numbers are expected to come in a bit weaker, so we could see investors finding some excuse to cash out, and that could also see some pressure on mining stocks as well as the Aussie dollar.